meats like dairies, and the meats are so expensive now. I can't afford those meats.
Those positive tests are taking people off the front lines. It's forcing companies to shut down manufacturing lines preemptively, and it's leading to just simply not enough supplies.
I've said it before and I'll say it again. Capitalism without competition isn't capitalism, it's exploitation. Farmers and ranchers deserve a fair shake. American families facing high prices at grocery stores deserve a fair price to put food on the table.